I know I normally talk about business and tech, but today I wanted to talk about something that a lot of people across the country are dealing with, including me personally here in my own community, and that's data centers. And to tell you the truth, if it wasn't for the disgusting behavior of AI CEOs threatening to slash everyone's jobs, and then combine that with the state governors and legislators forcing data centers onto the public, this fight could have been avoided. I feel like the very people who need these things built the most are doing the most to prevent them from being built. But here we are now with battle lines being drawn all over the country between regular everyday citizens, local authorities, and data center corporations. But I just want to say something here that I think the way that the public has been thinking about this is all wrong. Data centers are being sold to the public the same way a new factory would be, and that's just incorrect. The problem is that when a factory comes to town, one of the biggest factors is how many people that they can employ in the community. Data centers don't work like that. The two main factors they use are how close it is to a water supply and how close it is to the power grid. That's it. Water and electricity. You see, data centers consume massive amounts of water and electricity. And since they're mainly after those two resources, then I consider these to be resource extraction operations, just like an oil or coal producer, that their main goal isn't to make something, but to take something. And if this is a resource extraction operation, then you as a community should be the ones to directly benefit from this, because the resources are coming right from your community. And by the way, there's precedent for this. In Alaska, citizens get an annual payment paid to them directly from the oil industry. Chances are where these data centers are going in at, the developer is already paying the state legislator in some sort of tax or kickback. But the way I look at it is the local communities are shouldering pretty much all of the burden and risk. And they're the ones losing the resources, so they should be the ones to directly benefit from this. Whether it's in the form of no electric bill or maybe a monthly dividend check, something that the people can instantly receive, and it's not filtered through the legislator either. So if you have data centers going in around you, realize these two things, that they're mainly after your water and electricity, and that your local communities should be the ones to directly benefit from this. Thank you.